Welcome to the Lemoore College Library and Learning Resource Center. This video tutorial will provide you with an introduction to college research. Many college students are given assignments and then try to figure out how to do research on their own. Doing college-level research is hard and involves a lot of steps. There are 7 steps of the research process, so make sure you give yourself plenty of time for each step. Step 1. Choose your research topic. You've decided to research LC the Eagle, the Lemoore College mascot. Remember how I said earlier that research is hard? Here's a great example. After performing a search on the open web and finding 0 results for Lemoore College's LC the Eagle, you discovered that you needed to broaden your search. Instead of looking for research for LC, you might broaden your search for information about college mascots. Step 2. Find background information. Finding background information allows the researcher to get more familiar with the subject matter, find keywords, and decide if they want to continue researching this topic. Background information can be located in a variety of places: the open web, databases, and dictionaries and books. For example, you located one entry on the open web and one entry through an online database that provide helpful background information. Step 3 requires using catalogs and databases to find books and media. You can locate our library catalog and our databases through the library website at lemoorecollege.edu/resources/library. You can search the Lemoore College Library book collection through our online catalog, one search. You can also find resources through Lemoore College's online databases, which can also be accessed through the library website. Click on the databases icon to see which databases Lemoore College subscribes to. Lemoore College subscribes to approximately 20 different databases that provide access to different types of media, including ebooks, academic journal articles, newspaper collections, videos, online encyclopedias, and more. One of our most popular databases is EBSCO, All Subscribed Databases. This database covers a variety of different subjects in a variety of types of media. Click on the title of the database to access the database's search page. Enter your search terms in the search box and click Enter. The database will often tell you what type of resources it is providing. For example, the first resource is an ebook, while the second is a peer-reviewed academic journal. When you click on the title of the material, it will take you to the item's record, which gives you bibliographic information. If you want to read this ebook in its entirety, click on Access Now, ebook. You can then read the ebook online, save it, print it, and most importantly, create a citation for it. You can then copy and paste the citation into your Works Cited page. Step 4. Use databases to find journal articles. You can use the same database, EBSCO, All Subscribed Databases, to find journal articles, otherwise known as academic or peer-reviewed resources. Click on the title of the database to access the database's search page. Enter your search terms in the search box and click Enter. To find journal articles, academic or peer-reviewed, which is what your professors want you to use, you can use the filters below the search bar to limit it to peer-reviewed. Additionally, to read the article through the database, make sure to limit it to full text. When you click on the title of the material, it will take you to the item's record, which gives you bibliographic information. If you want to read this article in its entirety, click on Access Now, PDF. You can then read the article online, save it, print it, and most importantly, create a citation for it. You can then copy and paste the citation into your Works Cited page. Step 5. Find internet resources. Finding reliable internet resources is challenging. Remember, a majority of the information on the surface web is not edited and not from credible sources. When using internet resources, make sure to use the SIFT or CRAP tests to ensure the website you're using passes the tests. Step 6. Evaluate what you find. You should be evaluating all of your information sources prior to using them for a college research paper. You can use the SIFT or CRAP methods, but here are a few more helpful hints to make sure you're getting reliable information, regardless of the media in which it is presented. Remember, use library databases. Start with university library tools, which typically filter for high-quality, peer-reviewed content. Read laterally. Check what other sources say about the author or information. Check citations. Look at the bibliography, references list of the source to evaluate the quality of their research. Evaluate for diversity. Ensure your sources represent a variety of perspectives and backgrounds. Last, but certainly not least, Step 7. Cite what you find in standard format. Citing in a standard format supports academic integrity, allowing readers to verify sources, and allowing the writer to avoid plagiarism. It also makes sure that the proper credit is given to the original author. By taking your time, finding appropriate resources, evaluating the information, and following the academic guidelines for papers, you are sure to succeed in all your research assignments. Questions? Contact us in person at the 400 building on the Lemoore campus. Chat with us online through the Ask Us button on our website. Call us at 559 925 3420 or email us at ask@westhillscollege.lebansers.com.